Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my मेकअप लुक. सो मैं अभी मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, कहीं जाना है नहीं, बट जस्ट मेरा मन कर रहा था मेकअप करने का. सो आई वॉज लाइक लेट मी शूट अ वीडियो फॉर यू गाइज टू. और मैंने मतलब कल मेरे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पे मतलब डाला था कि शुड आई डू अ गेट टू नो मी वीडियो और नॉट, और काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने मुझे येस बोला था. सो फिर मैंने वहीं पे एक स्टोरी डाली थी कि व्हाट क्वेश्चंस डू दे वांट आस्क मी. क्वेश्चंस तो ज़्यादा आए नहीं है बिकॉज well, I don't have a lot of followers. So if you are not following me on Instagram, follow me right now. So जितने भी थोड़े बहुत questions आए, I'm going to be answering them in this video itself while getting ready. So let's start with that. But before anything, like we apply to our face or like we do makeup, the first most important thing is washing your face. So makeup actually starts at washing your face. So a lot of people like try, like they don't wash their face before doing makeup. So I would suggest that please do that because it really cleanses out your skin and everything. So yeah, let's go wash the face. Guys, I have done washing my face और मैं ना मतलब मेरे फेस को ज़्यादा रुमाल से पोंछती नहीं हूँ, लाइक थोड़ा बहुत डैप करती हूँ बिकॉज मैं मतलब उसको अपने आप सूखने देती हूँ बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील कि ज़्यादा फ्रेशनेस रहता है स्किन में. सो या एंड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस विच आई हैव been asked today, I have wrote this in this notebook. So let's get started with the first question itself. But okay, let's not go to questions directly. Let me just clear you some things about myself. I am 20 years old. My name is Saishavi Thakkar. You already know that. I am studying computer engineering right now. I am in the second year, 4th semester. Yeah, and I am doing it from GTU, like Gujarat Technological University. And yeah, मेरा अभी 3rd सेम का रिजल्ट आया है, which was great. So yeah, बाकी मुझे जो लगता रहेगा अपने बारे में वो मैं बताती रहूँगी चालू वीडियो में. So let's get started with the makeup now. Whole kit here and other some things like side में है थोड़ा सा. First thing I do is of course foundation. How do I show you this? What is it? Yeah, I am using this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade I don't know exactly. मैं जस्ट वहाँ पे गई थी, मैंने बोला कि जो मेरे स्किन पे सूट होगा वो दे दो बिकॉज आई एम लाइक नॉट वेरी मच इनटू मेकअप एंड आई ऑल्सो don't do makeup very much, but I just found the shade. It is 228 soft 10. So yeah, that's what I wear. So let's get started first. Difference now or not, but like I have mirror right here with me क्योंकि मुझे फ़ोन के स्क्रीन पे देख के करने को फा नहीं रहा था. So I got myself a small mirror here and it literally changes the way your whole face looks. I mean like yeah, like literally it changes everything. So the next thing I'm gonna do is apply this compact. I have green something, ADS's green compact powder 2-in-1 with richness of nature. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply this. So after this compact I'm just gonna apply a bit of this Pond's Magic. अगर निकल जाए तो ये mostly खाली हो चुका है because I use it like every time I'm going out because I don't put a lot of makeup when I go out, but whenever I go I just make sure that I use this powder a bit. And this shows like instant difference. Yeah. So yeah, powder is done. Now what I'm gonna do is apply the kajal because I love kajal. Kajal's done. So before going to the next thing, let me just answer one or two questions which I have. Okay, first two questions I have. First is kab milenge. What do I answer to this? Like literally it's very 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 hard to meet in corona times. Like I literally don't go out of the house even though I'm like super bored at home, but I just don't go out because I know going out is a lot risky right now. Like you shouldn't take that chance because मैंने काफ़ी सारे ऐसे न्यूज़ सुना है कि पूरे पूरे फैमिलीज ख़त्म हो जा रहे हैं कोरोना में, एंड it's just not good. So please stay home and don't go out if it isn't really necessary, and if it is really necessary, please take all the precautions and wear mask, maintain social distance. That is like the only thing we can do right now before like vaccination. But yeah, we all know what is the condition of vaccination in India. So rather than like leaving it to anybody else, like on the vaccination department or anything, it's better if we take care of ourselves, because yeah, no one else will. You have to take care of yourself. So yeah, so milne ka in short I don't know kab hoga. Then the second question is, when will we be able to meet? I miss you way too much. Well, I miss you so much. Like I can't even tell you. I miss you so much. Even a lot. I can't wait for the times to come back when we'll be get together and have all the fun that we used to have. Like I so much miss those times when we used to have like you were like staying over at my place and everything. It was just amazing. So I have more 4 questions which I'll see next. So yeah, let's see what next I'm gonna do is I don't have highlighter or anything like that. Highlighter and what this called जो यहाँ पे लगाते हैं like to enhance the cheekbones. I don't even really know the name, but I just know कि थोड़ा बहुत लगाते हैं. So I don't even have that. Concealer, I guess. Concealer बोलते हैं. Don't quote me on this. I'm like literally getting started with the makeup, and I don't even know if I'm like very much interested in getting better at this, because I'm liking the way I'm turning myself. So yeah, if it's not necessary, I don't think I will. So उसके लिए मैंने जुगाड़ किया है. I have this eye palette, eyeshadow palette from Amazing Girl. Yeah, it's just, I think I actually bought it locally, so I don't know much about this brand or anything, but yeah, I just bought it because I'm just getting started, as I told you. So I have this darker shade which I'm gonna take a bit and just apply it over to my cheek. Can see the difference or not, because I just apply it like very less, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, I can see it in the mirror. Like it gives an instant, like you know, cheeks को थोड़ा higher वाला look दे देता है. So yeah, I like that very much. And for the eyeshadow, I'm not too sure if I should do the eyeshadow or not. Let's answer a question or two and then I'll decide if I do want to do eyeshadow or not. So I have the question, do you have a boyfriend? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Then next question is favorite music. Well, I don't know about favorite music क्योंकि मैं जब जो आता है वो सुन लेती हूँ. Like not exactly, but if I like something, I am gonna be stuck on it for way too long and then just miss out the new songs. And when I will hear it, oh my god, they'll be like, oh my god, this is so nice song, but I just forget about it. Like I didn't even paid attention when it came out and all. So you get the point, right? But right now my favorite song or music, you can say, is right now I'm loving, like literally loving Wildest Dreams by Taylor Swift. Mostly it's Taylor Swift. Yeah, I love that song. It's amazing. I just love it way too much. Then a forever kind of thing, not a love song, yes. Not a Love Song from the movie What Are the Odds of Yashashwini Dayama, and I don't know about the other person, but yeah, and like this song, Not a Love Song, is also sung by Yashashwini Dayama, and I just love this song, that song like way too much again. Then I also like Wow from Zara Larsson. Then like हिंदी में अगर कुछ बात करें तो आतिफ असलम के तो all songs are really really good. फिर हिंदी में मोह मोह के धागे, doing a bit of eyeshadow. Well, I will not be doing it much, but yeah, I'm going to be using this pink shade. No, not this pink shade. अप्लाइड अ बिट. ये एक्चुअली में बहुत ज़्यादा कम लगाया मैंने. आई डोंट नो, कैमरा पे मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. आई डोंट नो, मैंने लाइक लिटरली बहुत कम लगाया. सो या, देन ऑन टू माई फेवरेट पार्ट, लिपस्टिक. वेल, नॉट फेवरेट पार्ट, बट या, आई जस्ट लाइक to apply this nude shade I have. I don't exactly know what this shade is, but it just looks amazing, like literally amazing. So yeah. I love this lipstick. It's lipstick, so obviously it gives the look of lipstick, but also again it's nude, so it doesn't like, you know, very much throw that attention onto you, the thing you don't want very much. So yeah, so this is how I look, and I'm just wearing घर के कपड़े अभी तो, क्योंकि मैं मेकअप कर रही थी. I'm gonna change in something right now which I have also haven't thought what that is. So yeah, but let's see two more questions which we are left with. Next question is, which is your favorite video from your YouTube channel? Well, this is a very interesting question. Obviously I like every video I have made, but one of the videos I made, like it was recent, I made like Netflix shows and movies you should watch. So yeah, I like that video very much because, you know, that is the only thing I do, like watch Netflix all day and of course study a bit in between. But yeah, I watch Netflix all day. That's just what I do, and like, you know, sharing that thing with you all, like what interests me, that has really, like, I liked it very much. Also, I love my DIY videos where I make things because I'm a huge fan of like art crafts things. I like to make it like very much. So yeah, I like that too. And then food challenges are also good because like I get to eat good things, and what's wrong with that? Like, how can anyone not like things they are eating? So yeah, those are really good videos. Then also stationery and everything, because I don't know if there is a word for people like me, but I just love stationery. And you know, कुछ लोग ऐसे जाते हैं like कपड़े वगैरह देखते हैं, so they just can't stop themselves from buying those clothes, and that kind of person is stationery. Like मैं कोई भी stationery shop पे जाऊँगी तो खाली हाथ तो वापस नहीं आ सकती. I just love different stationery, like cute looking things and all very much. So yeah. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन आज का है, आज तक कितने बॉयफ्रेंड थे? नन. या, आई डिडंट हैड अ बॉयफ्रेंड एंड आई एम नॉट इवन प्लानिंग राइट नाउ टू मेक वन. सो या, ऑल द क्वेश्चन. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गो एंड क्विकली चेंज इनटू समथिंग रियली नाइस सो दैट आई कैन. एक्चुअली मेरा प्लान आज का ये था कि मैं आज वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ ताकि मतलब मैं थोड़ा फ़ोटोज़ अच्छे से क्लिक करवा सकूँ ऊपर जाके. लाइक मेरी छत पे मुझे बहुत अच्छे फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक करवाने हैं, मतलब बहुत अच्छा, मतलब बैकग्राउंड है वहाँ पे, ग्रीनरी वगैरह है, तो आई जस्ट रियली लाइक इट. और मुझे फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक करवाने थे, बट साइक्लोन तौकते इन गुजरात, सो इट्स हियर. सो या, वो अपने इफेक्ट पूरे दिखा रहा है. सो सुबह से बारिश चालू है, हवा चालू है बहुत ज़ोर से. सो आई कैंट गेट आउट ऑफ द हाउस. कोई नहीं, हम यहाँ पे ही थोड़े बहुत फोटोज़ क्लिक कर लेंगे, और आई ऑल्सो शो यू गाइज व्हाट फोटोज आई क्लिक. एंड लेट मी जस्ट चेंज इनटू समथिंग रियली गुड एंड देन guys, I just changed into this super cute like jumpsuit I got for my birthday. It's like really cute. So yeah, that I bought myself this for my birthday and I just love it. I'm gonna show you the whole thing and also gonna click some photos. So stay tuned for watching this photo. I'll be editing them too. So yeah, let's click photos and let me show you the whole thing. So guys, that was it for the video. I hope आपको पसंद आया होगा मेरा ये मेकअप लुक और थोड़े बहुत गेट टू नो मी वाले क्वेश्चन. सो अगर इफ़ यू वांट लाइक टू गेट टू नो मी, कमेंट योर क्वेश्चंस in the comment section below. I will reply to you guys in the comment section or else in my next video. So yeah, comment your questions down below. I'll be more than happy to talk to you guys and get to know you guys more also. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that video की notification सबसे पहले सिर्फ आपको मिल जाए. So yeah, इसी के साथ वीडियो को करते हैं end and bye bye. Stay safe. Wear mask. Don't go out. Firstly, don't go out. If you need, wear a mask. Keep the safe distance with everybody. And yeah, that's it for the video. Bye bye. Love.